Hello student, welcome in my class. Today we will start with the most important part of the grammar, the tense, which is used in our daily life. The tense, the word tense is derived from Latin word tempus, which means time. A verb indicates the time of an action, event or condition by changing its form. Based on time frame, the verb tense may be categorized according to the time frame. Present tense, past tense, future tense. Present tense means now. Past tense means yesterday. Future tense means tomorrow. Present tense expresses an unchanging, repeated or reoccurring action or situation that exists only now. It can also represent a widespread truth. Past tense express an action or situation that was started and finished in the past. Future tense express an action or situation that will occur in the future. Based on aspect, verb tense may also be categorized according to aspects. Aspects refer to the nature of the action described by the verb. There are four aspects: indefinite or simple, continuous or progressive, perfect or complete, perfect, continuous. Indefinite tense, the three indefinite tenses or simple tenses describe an action but do not state whether the action is finished. Continuous tense, the three continuous tenses, incomplete tenses or progressive tenses describe an unfinished action. Perfect tense, the three complete tenses or perfect tenses describe as finished action. Perfect continuous tense, the combine the complete tenses and the incomplete tense to describe an action which was in progress and then finished. There are 12 possible verb tense. Verb tense: present, past and future. Present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect, present perfect continuous. Just like that, past indefinite, past continuous, past perfect continuous. Future indefinite, future continuous, future perfect continuous. Here is a list of rules these tenses: simple form, progressive form, perfect progressive form. Present. In simple form, the verb form is used first form plus s or es. In progressive form, m is r plus first form of the verb plus ing. In perfect form, have or has plus third form of the verb. Perfect progressive form, have or has plus first form of the verb plus ing. In past tense, simple form, second form will be used. Progressive form, was or were plus first form of the verb plus ing. Perfect form, had plus third form. Perfect progressive form, had been plus verb's first form plus ing. Future tense. In simple future tense, will or shall will be used plus first form of the verb. In the progressive form, will be plus first form of the verb and plus ing. Perfect form, will have plus third form of the verb. Perfect progressive form, will have been plus first form of the verb plus ing. Present tense, present indefinite tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present continuous tense. What is present indefinite tense? The simple present is used to describe an action, an event or condition that is occurring in the present at the moment of speaking or writing. For example, I play, he play or she plays. I play, he or she plays. Present continuous tense. The present continuous emphasizes the continuing nature of an act, event or condition. For example, I am playing, he or she is playing, they are playing. Present perfect tense. The present perfect tense is used to describe action that began in the past and continues into the present or has just been completed. For example, I have played, he or she has played. Present perfect continuous tense. The present perfect continuous is used to describe an action, event or condition that has begun in the past and continues into the present. For example, I or you have been playing, he or she has been playing. In past tense, say past indefinite, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense. Past indefinite tense. The simple past is used to describe an action, an event or condition that occurring in the past. For example, I played, he or she played. Past continuous tense. The past continuous tense is used to describe actions ongoing in the past. For example, I was playing, he or she was playing, you were playing. Past perfect tense. The past perfect tense is used to refer to actions that took place and were completed in the past. For example, I had played, he or she had played. Past perfect continuous tense. The past perfect continuous tense is used to indicate that a continuing action is the past begun before another past action began or interrupted the first action. For example, I had been playing, he or she had been playing. Future tense. Future indefinite tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense, future perfect continuous tense. Future indefinite tense is used to refer to the action that will take place after the act of speaking or writing. For example, I shall play, he or she will play. Future continuous tense is used to describe action ongoing in future. The future progressive is used to refer to continuing action that will be occur in the future. For example, I shall be playing, he she will be playing. Future perfect tense is used to refer to an action that will be completed sometime in the future before another action takes place. For example, I shall have played, he or she will have played. Future perfect continuous tense. The future perfect continuous tense is used to indicate a continuing action that will be completed at some specified time in the future. For example, I shall have been playing, he or she will have been playing. Here is a list of examples of tenses and their definition. Simple form, present, past, future tense, and their forms: simple, progressive form, perfect form, perfect, progressive form. Present simple form, I play. Progressive, I am playing. Perfect form, I have played. Perfect progressive, I have been playing. Past, I played, I was played, I had played, I had been playing. In future, I shall play, I shall be playing, I shall have played, I shall have been playing. Okay, thank you. So student, I will give you some assignment for enhancing your learning skill. So now we will stop this section. Okay, thank you.